Hello, welcome to my class. I am Pamela Jasmine. Today I am going to teach Merchant of Venice, Act 3, Scene 2, Part 2. Bassanio has chosen the right casket and he has found the portrait of Portia in it. And he has also found a scroll. So let's see what is written in the scroll. You that choose not by the view, chance as fair and choose as true. Since this fortune falls to you, be content and seek no new. So you that choose not by the view, you have not chosen by the outward show. Chance as fair and choose as true. You have the good chance, that means you have won the match and you have chosen the true one. Since this fortune falls to you, be content and seek no new. So this fortune is for you. Since this fortune falls to you, be content, be satisfied and seek no new. Now you should not seek for anything else. If you be well pleased with this and hold your fortune for your bliss, turn you where your lady is and claim her with a loving kiss. If you are well pleased with this, if you are if you are happy with this, and hold your fortune for your bliss, and if you are holding or if you are having this fortune as a blessing, or if this fortune gives you happiness, turn you where your lady is. You just turn to your lady, turn to Portia and claim her with a loving kiss. And you claim her, give her a kiss and claim her. A gentle scroll, fair lady, by your leave. Then Bassanio comments that it is a gentle scroll. And he turns to Portia and he, with her permission, he kissed her. I come by note to give and to receive, like one of two contending in a prize that thinks he hath done well in people's eyes, hearing applause and universal shout, giddy in spirit, still gazing in a doubt whether those peals of praise be his or no. So thrice fair lady, stand I even so, as doubtful whether what I see be true, until confirmed, signed, ratified by you. So he kissed Portia and he was telling, I come by note. I am approaching you according to this note, this scroll, to give and to receive, to give my love and to receive your love. Like one of two contesting in a prize that thinks he hath done well in people's eyes, hearing applause and universal shout, giddy in spirit, still gazing in a doubt whether those peals of praise be his or no. Now Bassanio is in a confused state. He was comparing himself to one of the contestants who competed for a prize, and he has won the prize and people were appreciating him and people were giving great applause, but still he was doubting whether that applause was for him or not, whether he was the real winner or not. So, thrice fair lady, stand I, even so, as doubtful whether what I see be true. So, thrice fair lady, he was addressing Portia, thrice fair lady. So, Portia was so beautiful and fair, so he was calling Portia thrice fair lady. Stand I even so, as doubtful whether what I see be true. Here I am standing in a confused state and see, I feel whether what I saw is true or not. Until confirmed, signed, ratified by you. Until you, see, I will be confused till you clarify it, you confirm it. Then only I can believe what I have seen is true. Portia, you see me, Lord Bassanio, where I stand, such as I am. Though for myself alone, I would not be ambitious in my wish, to wish myself much better yet for you. I would be troubled 20 times by myself, 1,000 times more fair, 10,000 times more rich, that only to stand high in your account. So here Portia is confirming that you can see me, no? I am here. So see my state, Lord Bassanio, where I stand. So you can see my status, such as I am. Though for myself alone, I would not be ambitious in my wish. For myself, I am not at all ambitious. I do not want anything more. To wish myself much better, I have never wished myself better, but for you. I would be troubled 20 times myself. I want to be 20 times more than what I am. 1,000 times more fair, 10,000 times more rich. I want to be 1,000 times more fair. I want to become more beautiful and more rich, 1,000 times more rich. That only to stand high in your account. I want to be in a higher status before you. I want to be high in your vision. I might in virtues, beauties, livings, friends exceed account, but the full sum of me is sum of something. So I want to be more and more in my qualities, in my virtues, beauties, livings. Livings means her estates and all, her richness, friends exceed account. She wants to be more and more in her account. But the full sum of me is sum of something. If you see the full sum of me, if you see the grand total of me, it is a sum of something, which a term in gross is an unlessoned girl. If you just see she is becoming so humble before Bassanio. So I am, if you see me, I am an unlessoned girl, unschooled, unpracticed. I am not so educated, and I am unschooled and unpracticed. I am not so well trained. Happy in this, she is not yet so old, but she may learn happier than this. But I am so happy like this because I am very young. I can be trained. I can learn. I can happy in this. She is not yet so old. I am not so old that I cannot learn and all. I can learn because I am young enough. Happier than this. She is not bred so dull, but she can learn. She is not brought up in a dull manner. She can learn. She is clever enough to learn. Happiest of all is that her gentle spirit commits itself to yours to be directed. I am so happy, happiest of all, because I am submitting myself to you, that you can train me in whichever way you want. As from her lord, her governor, her king, and she is considering Bassanio as her lord, her governor, her king. He can direct her in whatever way he wanted. Myself and what is mine to you and yours is now converted. See, whatever is mine, that is yours. Earlier also, Portia told this. Myself and what is mine. Myself and whatever is my own to you and yours. Yours is now converted. Everything is converted. Whatever is yours, that is mine, and whatever is mine is yours. But now I was the lord of this fair mansion, master of my servants, queen over myself, and even now, but now this house, these servants, and this same myself are yours, my lord. I give them with this ring, which when you part from, lose or give away, let it presage the ruin of your love, and be my vantage to exclaim on you. Now she is offering everything to Bassanio. See, now everything is now converted, but now I was the Lord. Till now, I was the Lord of this fair mansion. I was the owner and everything of this beautiful palace, master of my servants, queen over myself. I was everything. Master of my servants, I was the queen of myself, and even now. But now, till now, I was the owner of everything, my possessions. But now this house, these servants, and this same myself are yours. But now, as you have won the contest, see, I became yours, and everything, this house, these servants, and this same myself are yours. Everything is yours, my Lord. I give them with this ring. And one more thing she has given. See, with everything, I am giving you this ring, which when you part from, lose or give away, let it precede the ruin of your love. But if you part with this ring, if you give this ring to anyone, or if you lose, then it shows that our love is come to an end. That will ruin our love and be my vantage to exclaim on you. So I am telling that if you lose this ring, that will ruin our love, and so I have the right to accuse you that you are the person who ruin our love. Bassanio, Madam, you have bereft me of all words. Only my blood speaks to you in my veins. And there is such confusion in my powers, as after some oration fairly spoke by a beloved prince, there doth appear among the bustling priest multitude, where every something being blent together turns to a wild of nothing, save of joy expressed and not expressed. But when this ring parts from this finger, then parts life from hence. Oh, then be bold to say Bassanio is dead. See the expression of Bassanio. Madam, you have bereft me of all words. Madam, you have made me speechless. Only my blood speaks to you in my veins. Now he became speechless, and only his blood in his veins speaks. And there is such confusion in my powers. He was in a very confused state, and he became powerless, and he couldn't speak. As after some oration fairly spoke by a beloved prince, there doth appear among the bustling priest multitude, where every something being blent together. He was in such a state that when a king, when a prince, beloved prince, gave an oration, gave a speech, people would be so happy and they would make so many sounds of applause. And when all the sounds mix together, people cannot and nobody could make, nothing is clear, and only a confused outburst of joy. Like that was his state. He could not speak anything. And when the heart is full, words are few. That is the condition of Bassanio. And see of joy expressed and not expressed. He was filled with joy, but he cannot express that in its full value. But when this ring parts from this finger, then parts life from hence. But if I part with this ring, that means life has part from me. That means, oh, then be bold to say Bassanio is dead. If I lose this ring, you can say that Bassanio is dead. Bassanio is no more. Nerissa, my lord and lady, it is now our time that have stood by and seen our wishes prosper, to cry, good joy, my lord and lady. Then Nerissa comes forward and she said, my lord and lady. She addressed Bassanio and Portia, my lord and lady. Now it is our turn Now it is our time that have stood by and seen our wishes proper. Now it is time. Now our time. Now it is our time to express our joy and wish you good luck. To cry good joy and good joy, my lord and lady. She was also so much excited, and she was wishing all happiness to Bassanio and Portia. Gratiano, my lord Bassanio and my gentle lady, I wish you all the joy that you can wish, for I am sure you can wish none from me. And when your honors mean to solemnize the bargain of your faith, I do beseech you, even at that time I may be married too. See what Gratiano wants. My lord Bassanio and my gentle lady, I wish you all the joy that you can wish. I also wish you all the happiness, all the joy. For I am sure you can wish none from me. So you cannot wish anything less than that. You can wish nothing that displease me. And when you honors mean to solemnize the bargain of your faith, I do beseech you. See, but when your wish gets fulfilled, that means when you get married, when you are blessed with your marriage, the bargain of your faith, I do beseech you, I request you, even at that time I may be married too. When you get married, when your wishes get fulfilled, I also should get married. That is his request. Bassanio, with all my heart, so thou canst get a wife. With all my heart, I also like that, but you should get a wife for that. Gratiano, I thank your lordship. You have get a wife. But my eyes, my lord, can look as swift as yours. You saw the mistress, I beheld the maid. You loved, I loved for intermission. So here he also got a lady. What he tells? I thank your lordship, you have got me one. I thank you for that. You only have got one wife for me. My eyes, my lord, can look as swift as yours. My eyes are very fast. It can look, my eyes can look as fast as your eyes look. You saw the mistress, I beheld the maid. When you looked at the mistress, when you looked at Portia, I looked at the maid. I looked at Nerissa. You loved, I loved for intermission. So you loved like that, I also loved without any delay. No more pertains to me. So you loved. For intermission, no more pertains to me, my lord, than you. I do not like any delay for anything like you. Your fortune stood upon the casket there, and so did mine too. Your fortune depends, your luck depends on the caskets there. Same way, my fortune also did the same. As the matter falls for wooing here until I sweat again. This as it happened. See, when you tried, I also tried to get the love of someone. And swearing till my very roof was dry. I was swearing my love till my mouth became dry. With oaths of love at last, I have made so many oaths to make her believe that I love her. If promise last, at last, if promise last, I got a promise of this fair one here. At last, say I have tried my level best, and I made so many oaths of love till my mouth became dry. Finally, I got a promise of this fair one, that is Nerissa, that if you win the contest, if you choose the right casket and win Portia, then only she will love me. Then only I will get the promise of her love. Portia, is this true, Nerissa? Then Portia was surprised. Portia was asking Nerissa, is this true? Nerissa, Madam, it is. So you stand pleased with her. Madam, it is true, if you please. Bassanio, and do you, Graciano, mean good faith? Graciano, are you serious? Are you sincere about this? Graciano, yes, faith, my lord. Yes, yes, my lord, I am very serious. Bassanio, our feast shall be much honored in your marriage. Then Bassanio was so happy. Our marriage feast will be so bright, and it will be joyful when you also get married with us. Graciano, but who comes here? Lorenzo and his infidel. What? And my old Venetian friend Salerio. Here at that time somebody enters. Who is this? Who comes here? Lorenzo and his infidel. Lorenzo and his infidel. Who is the infidel here? Infidel means non-Christian. So Lorenzo and Jessica. What? And my old Venetian friend Salerio. And my old Venetian friend Salerio. My friend from Venice, Salerio. Enter Lorenzo, Jessica and Salerio. At that time, Lorenzo, Jessica and Salerio enter. Bassanio, Lorenzo and Salerio, welcome hither. If that the youth of my new interest here have power to bid you welcome. By your leave, I bid my very friends and countrymen, sweet Portia, welcome. Bassanio was so happy to see Lorenzo and Salerio. Welcome hither. He welcomes them, and he is telling that if my newly acquired position gives me the right to welcome you, if I have the right to welcome you, because now he got the position that now he won the contest, and he also became the owner of that mansion and Portia and everything. So with that newly acquired position, he is welcoming them. By your leave, I bid my very friends and countrymen, sweet Portia, welcome. With your permission, he is asking the permission of Portia. With your permission, I am welcoming my countrymen, my friends and my countrymen. And sweet Portia, you also please welcome them. Portia, so do I, my lord. They are entirely welcome. Then Portia was also very happy to welcome them. My lord, I also beg to do the same. I also welcome them with your permission. They are most welcome. Lorenzo, I thank your honor. For my part, my lord, my purpose was not to have seen you here, but meeting with Salerio, by the way, he did entreat me, past all saying nay, to come with him along. Lorenzo, I thank your honor. He thanks Bassanio for welcoming him, and he was telling that I did not have any intention to come here, but my purpose is not to have seen you here. I did not intend to see you here, but meeting with Salerio by the way. But on the way, I met Salerio, and he did entreat me. He requested me, past all saying nay. So I cannot say no. So to come with him along, he requested me to come with him here. So I cannot refuse. That's why I came. Salerio, I did, my lord, and I have reason for it. Signor Antonio commends him to you. Salerio agrees. Yes, my lord, I have requested him to come with me because I have some reason for it. Signor Antonio has sent me here with his greetings to you. Bassanio then gives Bassanio a letter. He gave Bassanio a letter. Bassanio, ere I open this letter, I pray you tell me how my good friend doth. Then Bassanio was very anxious to know about Antonio. Before I open this letter, let me know how my friend is. How is my friend? Is he doing well? Salerio, not sick, my lord, unless it be mind, nor well, unless in mind. His letter there will show you his estate. Salerio is telling that not sick. He is not sick, but in mind, unless it be in mind. He is sick in his mind, but not physically. Nor well, unless in mind. He is not well, but not physically in his mind. And his letter there will show you his estate. His letter will tell you his real position. Gratiano. Nerissa, cheer your stranger, bid her welcome. Your hand, Salerio. What's the news from Venice? Gratiano is telling Nerissa to greet or to welcome the stranger. That means cheer the stranger. That is Jessica. Welcome Jessica. Bid her welcome. Your hand, Salerio. He was shaking. He wanted to wish Salerio by shaking hand. What's the news from Venice? He also wanted to news from Venice. How did that royal merchant, good Antonio? How is the royal merchant Antonio? I know he will be glad of our success. We are the Jasons. We have won the fleece. Then Gratiano was telling that he must be very happy to hear about our success. We are the Jasons. We have won the fleece. Here he is given a mythological reference. Jason is a Greek hero, mythological Greek hero, and he has won the fleece. He was asked by his uncle to get the golden fleece from Colchos, eastern shores of the Black Sea. So he had done that and he had won the fleece. So like that, here Gratiano was comparing Bassanio and himself with Jason. Jason, the Greek hero who won the golden fleece. Salerio. I would. You had won the fleece that he had lost. Then Salerio is giving a taunt. He was telling that, yes, you have won the fleece, but he has lost. He has lost everything. Portia. There are some shrewd contents in you same paper that steals the color from Bassanio's cheek. Some dear friend dead, else nothing in the world could turn so much the constitution of any constant man. What? Worse and worse, with leave, Bassanio, I am half yourself, and I must freely have the half of anything that this same paper brings you. Portia understood, because Bassanio became so much worried and his color of his face changed. So she was telling, Portia was telling, there are some shrewd contents in you same paper. There are something very serious in that paper. So that shows Bassanio's cheeks became pale. Some loving friend must be dead. So that must be some serious message is there in the paper. Some loving friend must be dead. Nothing else could so much disturb the mind of a constant man. Bassanio is a very, according to Portia, Bassanio is a very strong person. See, but Bassanio's face became pale after reading the content of that paper. So Portia understood that something serious, some serious message may be there in the paper. Some close friend must have dead, or what? His face becomes paler and paler, turning to Bassanio. Then Portia turned to Bassanio. Excuse me, Bassanio. I am half of yourself, so I have the right to know what is there in the paper. So I have the right to share the content of that paper. I will explain Bassanio's speech in the next video, because this scene is very big. So I am taking it in 3 parts. In the next video, I will give the MCQs also. Till then, bye. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. God bless you. Thank you for watching.